In order to make balloons in Blender, we have to create the head first. So start with any 2D shape to your liking, then add mirror and subdivision surface modifiers. If you go into overlay settings and allow face orientation, you can check that your normals are facing outwards. If they are not, select all in edit mode and press Shift N to recalculate normals. Now apply the modifiers. Next, you go into edit mode and select the outer edges using Shift Alt left click. Once you have them all selected, you can press Ctrl E and bridge edge loops. Then press X to delete only faces. Then you add cloth simulation. Use the leather preset, then under the pressure section, raise the pressure and head to the shape section. Allow sewing and play the simulation. Now that you've reached a frame where you're happy with your shape, apply the cloth simulation. Add a weld modifier to merge the stitched part by distance. You can also use merge by distance in edit mode. Go into edit mode and select the edges, where you can extrude the ribbon. Add a few loop cuts to the ribbon for simulation. Now press C for brush selection. You can use the scroll wheel to set the brush size, then brush over the vertices of the head. Deselect any extra vertices and assign your selection to a vertex group. This group will be for the pressure part of the sim. Now select the vertices at the end of the ribbon and assign those to another vertex group. This one will be for the pin. You can also name them for convenience. Now add another cloth simulation and use the leather preset again and decrease the pressure. This time you want to decrease fluid density until the balloon floats. Assign the pressure vertex group, then head over to the shape section. Assign the pin group and head over to collisions. Allow self collisions and decrease collision distance to 1 cm for both self and object collisions. Now you're pretty much done making the balloon. To animate it, add an empty axis and add a hook modifier to the balloon. It has to go above the cloth simulation in the modifier stack. Set the object to be the empty and the vertex group to be the pin group. Now if you play the animation and move the axis, the balloon will follow. If you add 2 balloons, they will clip with each other. To solve this, simply add collision to both balloons and go into collision settings. Under soft bodies and cloth simulation, change the thickness outer to 1 cm. Now you can animate this, and when it's time to bake it, simply select either balloon and in the cloth simulation settings under cache, select Bake All Dynamics. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you want to see more like this, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified for the next upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.